Think probate is a one-size-fits-all? Well, not in Florida. We've got 3 different types, and choosing the wrong one could waste you time and a lot of money. Hi, I'm Jason Siegel, probate and estate planning attorney here in Florida. And in just a couple of minutes, I'm going to break down for you the 3 main types of probate that we have here in Florida, so you can figure out which one is right for you in your particular situation. Number 1, and most common, formal administration. This is a full probate process. The one most people think of. It's required when the estate is worth more than $75,000, or if there's complicated issues, like, for example, there's some creditors, there's some disputes. In this type of probate, it involves appointing a personal representative, a lot of times referred to as executor. You got to publish notice to creditors, you got to inventory assets, and you got to get a court approval typically before distributions. It's thorough, but it also takes a little longer. Summary administration. This is where the estate is under $75,000 or the person passed away more than 2 years ago. Summary administration might be an option. It's faster, simpler. It's a much easier process with fewer court filings, but it's not always the best choice if there's debts, if beneficiaries can't agree. And the simplest one, meant to really not use an attorney, is disposition without administration. Smallest, simplest option. It's not often used. It's in cases where a person left only exempt property or funeral expenses that were paid out of pocket. There's no PR appointed personal representative, and it's typically used only when there's really not a whole lot of substantial assets to administer, but it's cheap, relatively quick. So which probate path you take in Florida depends on the value assets, how long it's been since the death of the person, and whether there are creditors or disagreements among the beneficiaries. So choosing the right path can save your family time, money, and a whole lot of stress. Of course, if you have questions or you want help figuring out what type of probate you need, feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'm always here to help.